we're going to have another 2-in-1 video. So, with that being said, let's get the match started. Here we will have a 4-man truck match for the WWE Championship. The first person to get inside of the metal ball and claim the title will win the championship. And for the second match, we will have a triple threat match for the WWE Money in the Bank briefcase. And contendant number 1 for the truck match, John Cena. Cena popping down. The second contestant will be Drew McIntyre. McIntyre hopping up on the hood and jumping down with authority. Cena and McIntyre squaring off. But wait a minute. The music for number 3 starts playing and they both look scared. Because it's the tribal chief, Roman Reigns. Roman Reigns might be my pick to win this. Reigns hopping down, hitting his back on the hood, acting like it's nothing. Here we have the final contestant, Ricochet. Ricochet standing tall on that huge platform. Ricochet with the acrobatics. Look at him leaping off. The match will begin in 3, 2, 1, go. As soon as the match starts, Roman Reigns. McIntyre ducks the Superman punch. McIntyre Glasgow kiss. Cena going at it. All 3 of them is just a big pile of punches and dodges. Meanwhile, Ricochet climbing on top of the hood. Everybody suddenly getting up to look at what he's about to do. Ricochet, whisper in the wind. Whisper in the wind, taking out all 4, it looks like. Ricochet getting up, grabbing the ladder, looking to climb. Cena comes running though. Cena comes running. Cena comes running, leaping off the top of the truck. Ricochet moves. Cena just hit his gut on the top of that ladder. Ricochet taking Cena up to the top. And a reverse suplex. A reverse suplex.
Zibbies. What?
McIntyre getting the same face. Fate landing head first. Wait a minute, Roman Reigns. Superman punch. Ricochet barely conscious. Going for another Superman punch. Ricochet dodges it.
Thought I was barely conscious. Sorry.
Ricochet, Hurricane Rana knocking the hood. the car. Cena going for a suicide dive. Ricochet jumping down and into that little crate container to get lower. Hitting his head on that, what's it called? I don't know. On that ambulance light, it looks like, and knocking it straight off. McIntyre's chasing Ricochet down. McIntyre going for a Claymore. Wait a minute, Ricochet opened the door. McIntyre got his foot stuck. Ricochet slamming the door.
My mama get mad at me when I do that.
McIntyre going for a senton. Both men trade positions. Shutting the door. Going for it again. Opens the door back. Knocking the door off. Ricochet has been outsmarting everyone here. Superman punch. And grabbing him by the throat. He can't breathe. Grasping, trying to find some way to get out of it. Whoa, whoa! Roman Reigns falling off.
I bit my tongue.
Oh, that's too bad. Cena climbing up. Wait a minute. Ricochet. Drop kick to Cena. Sending him flying.
So I have a question.
Superman punch. Superman punch. I'll answer it later. McIntyre. Claymore.
I mean, it's about WWE, but...
Answer.
Huh?
I'll answer.
Okay. So how come you keep saying Ricochet's like struggling, breathing, and like almost close to dying, but then he comes in with like super kicks and stuff? How does that make sense? If he's on the verge of death, he's not gonna be able to move.
I'm not saying he's on the verge of death. I'm saying like he's really weak, can barely move, and then he like dodges something, gets the chance to take like a breather, and then he gets his head back in the game and goes back to reality, you know?
Yeah, okay, I get it now.
Okay, thanks.
I'll leave.
You're still there.
I know. I look like a
McIntyre
big pillow.
climbing up on top of the steel ball, trying to get inside.
What are they getting inside the steel ball?
The title's inside.
Oh.
First person to get inside wins the title. Trying to open it. Ricochet. Super kick. Sending him flying off. Ricochet dropping down. He won. He did it. Ricochet is your new champion. Now time for the second match. Yay. Just gotta move all the truck stuff out of the way. Scram. What? I'm not allowed to talk to inanimate objects?
Oh, I thought you were talking to me. I was like, what?
No, I was talking to my inanimate objects.
So how many rounds are in this?
Huh?
How many rounds? 2?
You mean how many matches?
Yeah.
Yeah, just 2.
Oh.
That was the first one.
Okay, ready?
Oh, wait a minute. I need to grab this.
I'm gonna call it right now. If I get this wrong, roast me or whatever. I think the long-haired dude's gonna win.
You are where I have control over what all of they do.
Yeah.
All of them do. You see, the problem with that is I already have the storyline planned out, so I can't really change it because I have no other way to go with this.
Just go.
Okay, jeez. Here we have a triple threat match for the Money in the Bank briefcase, beginning in 3.
Like Mr. Beast? What if it wasn't filming?
No, it's like a briefcase that there's a contract inside that says you can fight a champion for their title whenever and wherever you want.
Oh.
Kind of like the 24/7 championship, but you need to win a match.
I don't know what that is. Just explain it to me later.
Okay. Featuring Austin Theory, Stone Cold Steve Austin, and Bret Hart.
I'm gonna guess the Bret Hart one's the long-haired dude, Steve Austin.
Yeah.
Steve Austin is the bald dude, and the other guys, I don't know the name.
A+.
Yeah. Did I get him right?
Well, I'd give you an A because you said you didn't know his name, but still, you were pretty close. You got all of them right, but except for the fact that you said you didn't know his name.
It was 50-50 between the long-haired guy and the short guy.
Yeah.
Because I know the other guy was Steve Austin.
Alright, let's start the match already. At the very beginning, Austin, 316 Austin, stunner at the very beginning of the match. Austin with always a trick up his sleeve with that handcuff. Throwing him out of the ring. The match has just begun. And Stone Cold Steve Austin just got handcuffed to the post, it looks like. Wait, no.
Imagine.
Imagine Dragons.
Imagine this nuts on your face.
No! Not right now. I'm doing.
I'm sorry. This is kid friendly. I'm sorry.
It's alright. I'll just put it under not made for kids.
I mean, it kind of is still made for kids. Kids say that a lot. It's fine.
Yeah. I mean, if Mr. Beast can say it, so can we.
These nuts.
Right, that's handcuffing Stone Cold Steve Austin to the post.
Should I say it?
No.
Okay, I won't say it then.
Kick to the midsection. Austin can't move his arm.
And I'm gone.
And a big knee, knocking the handcuff off.
He broke handcuffs? This man
No, I mean like he got kneed in the face so hard that his hand slipped out because they weren't on like
Steve Austin looks old.
You are aware he hasn't been in a ring since like the 1990s, right?
How was he not dead? Dude, so today there's this kid named Spencer.
Well,
Actually, I'll tell you.
Back in the ring.
Zero.
Yeah, probably should. Ducking a wild swing from Stone Cold off the middle rope. Blockbuster!
I have another WWE question.
Big knee. What?
So if
Super
they
kick.
both land in like the ring, how come it hurts one person more than the other?
Imagine like a suplex.
I don't know what that is.
This.
Oh, okay, yeah.
You see, they're both falling back at the same speed and velocity, right?
Uh-huh.
But since he is higher, he'll be going faster and get more airtime and it would hurt more, right?
No, the bottom one will get more airtime, but yes, continue.
You just ruined wrestling for me.
I'm
No, I'm just kidding. But you did bring a big problem with the show to my attention. Low blow by Steve Austin.
Oh, you got hit in the nuts.
And a big splash, crushing him. What?
Did you not hear what I said?
No.
You'll hear it when you rewatch the video. It ain't bad.
Handcuffing his arm to the post. Getting another pair. handcuffing his other arm up there too. He can't move either of his arms. Stone Cold Steve Austin, a big drop kick. Wait a minute, Bret Hart sweeping through the legs. Bret Hart's got it locked in. He could easily win this.
Sorry, not necessary.
All he needs is for Stone Cold Steve Austin to tap out. And he wins. He wins.
Oh, there's no I guess it gets this right.
No, I'm saying all he needs to do is
know.
for him to tap out is to win. Oh no, you were completely wrong. Do you want to change your guess before I finish the match?
The bald. No, not the bald guy, the other guy. A+.
This guy? Okay. Stone Cold got out of it, launching Bret Hart face first into the turnbuckle. That's like...
Hey, it's fine. Just some technical difficulties.
I know. Still frustrating, but I know.
I'll give you...
Stop it. Stop. Please. Please and thank you. Stop.
The back massage.
You're about to have a foot break.
I hit a pressure point because he went pretty good.
Stop.
Sorry, I'm just trying to find it.
Like everywhere you touched felt like a pressure point.
Probably because it is. Dude, I got some nice legs. My thighs are fat, but my calves are nice.
I will remake this video.
Okay, I'll be quiet.
Or restart. You know what I mean. Theory. Handcuffing Stone Cold. Kicks to the midsection. He can't do anything about it. Bret Hart. Off the top rope. Austin Theory. A-Town down. And a cover. 1, 2. Bret Hart about to grab the rope. Austin Theory grabbing his arm. 3. Austin Theory wins.
Who's Austin Theory? Hey, let's
The
go.
AT guy.
Let's go.
Austin Theory,
Look at me scoot,
earlier
buddy.
he said he had an announcement to make.
Oh, wait, is he marrying?
Huh?
Look, watch me scoot, ready?
Okay. Can I finish this announcement real quick?
Yeah.
Okay. I know a lot of people who gets the briefcase always thinks they should wait till the champion is most weakened. Blah, blah, blah. They just got done with a big match. But the face of WWE doesn't need it. So, where... Be right back.
I thought you said there were only 2 rounds.
There is. This is an announcement.
Sorry.
It's like a little miniature speech.
Nah, really? I thought it was a geographic nature system.
It is. It's gonna take 5 days. Unless you shut up. You can sing. Goldberg and Ricochet.
Why do you need those two?
He just won a title, and he already has one.
Oh, that makes sense. So look under the bed. This is helping so much. Here.
Thank you.
You're welcome. 3 bald dudes.
3 bald dudes sitting in a room.
They might kiss. Sorry.
No.
Oh wait, that got
You want to know what your punishment for saying that is?
What is that?
I farted.
Oh yeah, silent but deadly, dude. You gotta call it. Hey, Saxon, guess what?
What?
I larded. Who are you looking for now?
I'm not looking for a who, I'm looking for a what.
What are you looking for?
A title. Found it. Ricochet. Great match out here. Well, why don't you come on out? Ricochet coming. Theory backing him up to the corner. Wait a minute. And Goldberg, why don't you come out here too? So, technically, it never said I couldn't go after 2 titles at once. So we're going to have a triple threat, winner takes all. How about it? Come on. You've got no choice. You know what? Take my briefcase. We'll finish this later. Theory beating down Goldberg. Trying to get an early head start on him. Well, Ricochet bashing him over the head with his title. And a belly to back suplex. Making him back off. Going for a moonsault. Going for a reverse moonsault on Goldberg. Ricochet catching him out of midair with a super kick. And a big shot right to the gut.
You hear that high note? I hit a high note with the first time.
Pushing him out of the ring. Saying
Okay.
simultaneously, we accept.
Oh, they accepted? Does that mean this video?
Uh-huh.
Well.